Elementary particles. What is an elementary particle? Well, to understand elementary particles, we must understand what matter is. Matter is anything that is made up of atoms and has a mass. Anything that's around you is matter, whether it's that pencil that you're chewing on, or the book that you're writing in, or the guitar that's lying by your bed. Everything that's around you is made up of matter. As you can see, here is a structure of an atom. Atoms contain positively charged protons, neutrally charged neutrons, and negatively charged electrons. In this case, this is a helium atom. Protons can be broken down into quarks, so can neutrons, but electrons cannot be broken down any longer. That's why electron is an elementary particle. What is an elementary particle, you ask? It's a particle that does not have a substructure. It cannot be broken down anymore. In this case, we can break down protons. Protons here contain quarks. Neutrons also contain quarks. So, why do protons have a positive charge and neutrons have a negative charge? Well, elementary particles help us figure that out. As you can see, this proton has 3 quarks in it. Has an up quark, and a down quark. Well, an up quark has a charge of positive 2/3, and a down quark has a charge of negative 1/3. So when you add 2/3 plus 2/3 plus negative 1/3, you get a charge of +1. When in a neutron, you have a down, down, up quark. So you have negative 1/3 plus negative 1/3 plus 2/3, which equals to 0. And this makes sense because neutrons are neutrally charged. They don't have a charge. Protons are positively charged, a +1 charge. To understand this better, we can pretend that one of your friends has given you a nice big box for your birthday. In this box is a very big box. We'll call this matter. And when you open up this box, you're disappointed to find that there's another box inside of it. We'll call this box an atom. Then you open up this box again, and what you find is there's another smaller box inside of it. And we'll call that proton. At this point, you're fed up. But then you open up this box again. And then you find that there's another smaller box inside of it. And we'll call that a quark. And then you open up this box again, but there's nothing inside of it. This box cannot be broken down anymore. That's why this is an elementary particle. It does not have a substructure. It cannot be broken down. This is a standard model of elementary particles. As you can see, we looked at quarks right here, and another category called leptons. The leptons contain the electrons, so electrons are elementary particles. Here is the newly found Higgs boson. So, to sum it up, if it cannot be broken down any further, it is an elementary particle.